Today I'm going to show you how to make an online journal in Google Slides. This way you can have students work from the beginning of the year to the end of the year to show their progression. So first I would go to File, I would go to Page Setup, and I would go to Custom. And I would make it the same size as the paper, 8.5 by 11. You could call this My Journal. And the student could put their name down here. I'm then going to duplicate it. They could either put, first I would put a border around it. You could have the student either put the title or the subject that they're writing about. Oops. And then I would make a box around the bottom. And I would either put details and facts. And then the students could write in there. Then you could, as the teacher, you could duplicate this and give them several copies and also show the students how to duplicate it. And then you could share this in Google Classroom with your students and they'd have somewhere to do their journal writing throughout the year.